again, this is Mark. So this is the graphic that Gateway Classic Cars displayed. As you can see, it says frame off restoration. I'm not sure about that. We'll take a look. Here are the photos they sent me of Rokke being restored. Here the man's working on the bird cage. He's prepping it, caulking it, sanding it. He's taping off the chrome. I believe looks like maybe applied a coat of primer already. Not sure. Remember, all this is covered with chrome and rubber. And okay, now he's moved along here. Everything's masked off except for the bird cage, which has received a coat of glossy black, it looks like. Probably 2 coats maybe, and possibly some clear coat. I'm not sure, even though none of this will show. It's going to all be covered up, as you know, with all the chrome pieces. Well, stainless steel, whatever they're made of. Alright, so here now he's moved on to painting. Again, it's hard to tell if this is really frame off. I would say it's probably frame on. It is up on jack stands. You can see there. Wouldn't those be on a frame? Wouldn't that be? Anyway, here's the back view. Everything's taped off. You can see the holes for the letters, the tail lights, fuel filler. The wheel wells are taped off. So yeah, probably still frame on. Not sure why they said frame off. Alright, so the engine bay obviously taped off, so the engine's probably in there. The front bumper is going to be replaced with a new fiberglass one. There's the holes for the Stingray lettering. Looks like they've applied yellow. Now it's getting a little shinier. Maybe they moved on to clear coats. I'm not sure. Again, these are just photos that the dealer sent me when I asked for them. You know, you can always ask for photos of any restoration work. This is what they sent me. No names, no body shop. Okay, now they've moved on to the interior. So the paint is done apparently. Maybe the hood's being done separately, I'm not sure. Alright, so all the interior was taken apart and new insulation and sound deadening material was put in. I wish they had painted that parking brake area. But they didn't, as far as I can tell. Alright, looks like they're putting pieces back in here. Oh yeah, brand new real leather seats. Seat covers, I guess, right? Flowmaster mufflers. Some looks like the spare tire cradle and everything's been repainted. Okay, the letters, see, they're slightly crooked, and I had to have those corrected at a body shop. Once I received the car, I took it back in. And here's Rokke all done. Looks fantastic. There you go. That's Rokke and his restoration.